Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic of discussion is on another page replacement algorithm, and the name of the algorithm is the not recently used page replacement algorithm. In short, we write NRU, the not recently used page replacement algorithm. So on this algorithm also you are going to learn the logic. Normally a numerical will not be asked on this algorithm, but how does this algorithm works, the logic you should be knowing. So till now you have been seeing in different page replacement algorithms, like suppose you have 3 frames, you were giving what the page numbers, you were writing the page numbers like this. So sometimes what you have done is, in the page replacement algorithms, you have not written any value for the reference bit, or you are not at all considering the reference bit for these page numbers. In one of the algorithm, you have seen that in the second chance page replacement algorithm and the clock page replacement algorithm, you are also considering what is the reference bit, what is the reference bit value for each of these pages, whether it is 0 or it is 1. So depending on that, the action is taken. If it is 0, some action is taken. If it is 1, some action is taken. So this is one thing you have learned in the previous algorithms. Now, not only one type of bit, we have another type of bit called as modified. Apart from what? Apart from referenced, okay, you have another bit called as modified bit. Now in the page table, see, suppose if this is your physical memory and all the page information for those pages will be present in the page table. So you are having the pages here, and you have always seen that suppose if page numbers are, let me just write down A, C, D, E, F, G, B, something like this, randomly I am taking M, N. For each of these pages, one will be what the reference bit value and another will be the modified bit value. Okay. For each of these pages, the reference bit value and the modified bit value will be given. Simply I have taken for this one just for the sake of understanding, only few pages here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like this I have taken the pages. Suppose now let us assume that for each of these pages the reference bits are, the value for the reference bit and the value for the modified bit is given. Now let me just write randomly some numbers. Let us take page A, page N, sorry, here I should write down, okay, this is the head column heading, reference and M, and this is the page N, page A, page C. So let us assume that for N the reference is 0 and M is 1, randomly I am taking. So let me use a different thing here so that I will tell you how exactly this algorithm works. So let us assume some values here for R and M, randomly I will be writing. For N, let us take the R bit is 1, M is 0. For A, let us take R is 0, M is 1. For C, let us take 1 and 0. For D, let us take 1, 1. For E, let us take 0, 0. Like this randomly I will be taking. So for F, I will take 1, 1. For B, I will take 0, 1. For N, I will take M, I will take 1 and 0. Like this we have chosen. Now whenever a page has to be replaced, first see, whenever a page fault occurs in the memory, then whenever a page fault occurs, the page has to get replaced. Now which page has to be removed from the memory in order to accommodate the new page? So that logic is based on the values of the reference bit that are given here, the values for the modified bits that are given here. So first thing is, out of all the pages that are available, you have to classify this into 4 categories. What are those categories? One will be class 0, okay, and another will be class 1, and the third category will be class 2 and class 3. Class 0 will have all the pages with what? The reference bit 0, modified bit 0. Class 1 will have all the pages with reference bit 0, modified bit 1. Class 2 will have all the pages with what? With reference bit 1 and modified bit 0. Whereas class 3 will have all the pages with reference bit 1 and modified bit 0. So this is referenced and this is modified. So this way you have to remember now one more table in this manner. All the pages that are there will be divided into 4 classes: class 0, class 1, class 2 and class 3. So the page that has to be selected, okay, to be removed from the memory is based on what? The values for R and M. R stands for what? The page is just read, we say it is referenced. Modified is what? The page is written. Okay, the contents of the page are edited. Now when you have these many pages in the main memory, a n a c d e f g b, what you do is you divide these pages into these 4 classes only. Now check here for class A, how many pages belong to class A? Class 0, sorry. Class 0 is what? Reference bit 0 and modified bit 0. Reference bit 0, modified. E and G. E and G are the 2 pages that are having that comes under the class 0. Hope it is visible to you all. Let me focus. Next you select those pages which comes under the class 1. Class 1 should have what values? 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is here, 0 and 1 is here. Okay. Yes, there are 2 pages under class 1, A and B. So you can write down here A and B. What about class 2? Class 2 should have reference bit 1 and modified bit 0. 1 and 0. 1 is here, 1 and 0, 1 and 0. Yes, another is here. N and M. N and M belong to class 2. What about 1, 1? 1, 1 we have 1 here, 1 here. Yes. There are 2 pages, D and F. Hope I have covered all the pages now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is one page which is missed out. Let us recheck once. Class 0 will have 0, 0. So here is 1 and here we have covered E and G. Class 1 is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Yes. 0 and 1, it is appearing only 2 times. So A and B. Okay, here I have written. Class 2 is 1 and 0. 1 and 0, 1 and 0. Yes, here we have missed. So N, M and also N, M, C. C also comes under what? Class 2. Fine. This just randomly I have taken. You can also take any example. I wanted to show you how this algorithm works. For this reason I have taken. So all these pages you have classified. Now whenever a page fault occurs, a page from class 0 is taken. First you are selecting a page from class 0. So either randomly one of these page, either E or G will get replaced. Okay. Either E or G will get replaced from the class A category. Now suppose if there are no pages in class A, then comes what? The next category, class 1. You have to select one out of these 2 pages for replacement randomly. And suppose if there are no pages in class 1 also, then you are going to select from class 2. C, N and M are 3 pages, select one out of these 3. And suppose if there are no pages in the class 2 category also, then comes class 3. And in class 3 you have 2 pages, D and F, one out of these 2 will be selected for replacement. So what is that you have understood? Class 0 is given less importance. So you are selecting a page first from class 0. The reason is what? The page is just read and nothing is modified. So we are not giving more importance here because the page is not modified. Otherwise next priority will be, next importance will be for this page, then this category, next importance will be for this class 2. Finally more importance is given for class 3. That means you doesn't want to replace a page that is belonging from class 3. Class 3 is what? A page is read as well as a page is modified. So this is how the algorithm works. And you can see one important, you can notice one important thing here. Class 1 is having what? Class 1 is having the reference bit 0, modified bit 1. How is it possible? Without being read, it is modified. So this seems to be very surprising. But it is possible because class 1 is resulting mainly from class 3. Class 3 is having 1. The reference bit of 1 is changed to 0, whereas the reference bit for modified is not changed. So normally what will happen is the interrupt can change the reference bit from 1 to 0, whereas the interrupt does not change the reference bit of 1. That means it is not going to disturb the modified bit. Modified bit will remain as it is. So that is why class 1 is the result of class 3 pages only. Why we are not disturbing the modified bit here is because it has to be decided whether this page has to be rewritten into the disk or not. That is the reason we are not, the interrupt will not change the modified bit for class 3. So class 1 is what? The result of class 3. This is how the the not recently used page replacement algorithm works. So hope you find this session useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.